Designating an assignment as a group assignment in Moodle requires changing just a few settings. You can either do this when you create the assignment, or if you've already created it, you can turn editing on, go to edit, and then edit settings to edit the assignment settings. What you're looking for are the group submission settings. And what you'll need to do here is change this to yes, which makes other options available. Now, if students are changing groups throughout the course, you will have already created a grouping based off of the other videos in this playlist. In that case, you would need to select which grouping you intend to use so that Moodle knows which groups to pull from. If you're not having students switch groups, it will just pull from the standard groups in the course. That's where this second option becomes very important. If this is changed to yes, then the students must be in a group for them to be able to submit to this assignment. If they're not, then they won't have the option to submit. If you've already set up groups for your students behind the scenes and you're not having them change groups, you don't have to worry about this setting. The final option here is require all group members submit. That is only available if in the submission settings you require students to click a submit button to finally submit their work. What this would mean is that every member of a group would have to go into the assignment and click submit to submit their work rather than having one group member submit on their behalf. After you've set this up with the most common standard settings, which are student submit in groups set to yes, and adding the grouping if you are having the students switch through multiple groups throughout the course, just scroll down and click Save and Display or Save and Return to Course.